Welcome back to Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl. I know this shit looks crazy, but I'm out on the fire escape at my man Hank's crib. Sorry, 1 second. It's already loud enough. But yeah, I figured I'd do one out here. I don't know if it's like Wizard Kelly right now or what, but I don't know if y'all can like see my face. It's a little dark. I'm not gonna find out until I edit this later. But to be honest, I'm not reviewing sushi this time. I'm sick of sushi. Like quite honestly, I don't ever want to see a raw fish again until November. But I got something a little different from this place called Okinii. So they have sushi, but I was like, you know what? I want the ante up just a little bit. So I decided to get, stick with me here, this shit like a gender reveal. Something a little different. So I decided to get barbecue octopus, like actual octopus, barbecue octopus, and that's soft shell crab. Like I said, I couldn't do sushi again. I could not do raw fish anymore until I have to do it again. But yeah, I wanted to mix it up. I'm not gonna lie, I like octopus. One of my favorite poke places, Poke Ono in Ardmore. Right around the corner from Suburban Square, well in Suburban Square technically. They used to have octopus with their poke. It's amazing. It's chewy as hell. But it has this like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like nice tendency to it. You got the chewy that's like the well done steak chewy. It's not that. It still breaks down, but a little different. Based off of that, if you brave enough to try grilled octopus, based off of that, I gotta believe this place legit. Soft shell crab is fried up. I mean, but I'm not gonna lie, this is a little strong on the nose, but I always like crab. Soft shell crab with the sweet and sour sauce on the side. I ain't trying the sushi at Okinii. Based off these two appetizers. I gotta believe whoever behind that counter know what he's doing. Or she doing. Or they doing. Anyway. Like I said, if you brave enough, you feeling froggy, you trying to leap, real octopus. It's a different texture than anything walking on land, obviously. But it's a nice little alternative. Shit, I ain't gonna really review it because it's good. This has been another episode of Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl. Probably my laziest, but I guarantee y'all ain't out there just seeing somebody eat octopus. So y'all be cool like y'all be cool. And stay tuned with the rest of the Sushi Crawl, presented by Sushi Geeks. I mean.